Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set long-term personal goals in Trello. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set long-term personal goals in Trello, all you got to do is simply go to Trello. Once you're in your Trello, you need to create a board for your goals. You can use lists for stages, example ideas, in progress or done, or time frames, and break big goals into smaller task cards like checklists, labels, and deadlines, applying the SMART framework for clarity and visualizing progress. So first of all, you need to create a board, define your goals, break down your tasks, add your details and track the progress, and have a periodical review of your board to move tasks and adjust priorities. Life changes, but don't be afraid to modify your plans. You need to stay focused and flexible. So this way you can simply set long-term personal goals in Trello. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.